Good afternoon, students. So here I come with another video. Now see atomic structure we were discussing, and how the structure of an atom will look like. This look like actually we have discussed that day that you have learned that first atom is the indivisible particle, smallest indivisible particle of an element, and it has a structure which is circular in nature. Okay, and in that it has proton, neutrons, and electrons. The charge of proton is positive, and charge of electron is negative, and charge of neutron is neutral. And in the center of the structure of an atom, nucleus, a center is there, which is called nucleus, and it consists of proton and neutron, and in different orbit, same as the structure of our solar system. Okay, in different orbits, electrons are rotates. Electrons are revolving around the nucleus in different orbits. Now, again, I have told you that last video, that the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom is called atomic number, and it is different for different elements. Okay, and for that element it will be fixed. Say for oxygen, the number of proton is 8. Okay, and for nitrogen, the number of proton is 7. Okay, so that is the atomic number. And now you know an atom is totally electrically neutral. So protons are the positive charges and the electrons are the negative charges. So there must be same number of electrons and protons present in the nucleus in an atom, because to get the overall charge as neutral. Okay. So the number of proton will be equal to the number of electrons. Okay, so if an atom having 8 protons, so it means that 8 electrons will be there. Okay, so atoms are the neutral in nature, and it is independent. You know, it is not independent. It is It can react with other atoms to form a molecule and to get the stimulus. This one we have discussed. Now, normally, atoms will release one electron or it gains one electron, or the number of electrons it gains or release, it form an ion. Okay, so normally say it is an atom of sodium. It is an atom of sodium. Now it has 11 number of electrons. Now, if it release one electron. Here the number of proton is 11 and number of electron is also 11. Now when it releases one electron, here the species it forms, in that case the number of proton will be 11, because it is not releasing any proton, but the number of electron becomes 10. That means in this case the number of positive charges are higher than the negative charges. So this species should contain the positive charge, and this is called ion, and this is called the cation. Okay, so when an atom releases or gains electrons, that forms ion. Now ion may be two types. One is cation, one is called cation, and another one is called anion. Okay, and cation means it should have positive charge. It should contain positive charge, and anion should contain negative charge. Okay. Now these ions are the more stable than its parent atoms. Okay, ions are more stable than its parent atoms. Okay, so this statement will memorize that the ions are more stable than its cation or than its parent. Okay. Now we have learned, I think, what is cation and what is anion. Now anion, how it will form? Say chlorine. Chlorine having 17 proton. So chlorine have 17 proton, and it has also 17 electrons. Now when it releases one electron, it forms a species which will have a negative charge. Okay, why? Because as it releases electrons, so number of electrons becomes 16 and number of protons becomes as it gains, it will gain one electron. So number of electron becomes 18. So as the number of electron is greater than the number of proton, so the charge will be the charge of electron. So charge, what the chlorine will get, it is the charge of electron, because the number of electron is higher here. Okay, so this is called an anion. Okay, this is called an anion having negative charge. Okay, so anions are the species which having a negative charge. Okay, understood? So these are the difference between cation and anion. Okay, now I will write some names of the anions. You will write it in a copy or you will try to memorize. Okay, say this anion what I have written here, Cl minus. Cl minus is called fluoride ion. Okay, Cl minus is called fluoride ion. Br minus. This all the anions will end with Ig, something like that. Okay, this anion is called bromide. This anion is called bromide. I minus is called iodide. Okay, these are the three ions. F minus will be called as fluoride. Fluoride. Okay. OH minus will be called as hydroxyl ion. Okay, it is called as hydroxyl ion. Understood? Now this Cl minus is called chloride. Br minus is called bromide. I minus is called iodide. F minus is called fluoride. OH minus is called hydroxide. Understood, students? So this one you have to memorize. Now H. Now if any ion is there, that means H plus. H plus will be called as hydrogen ion or hydrogen cation, you can say, because these are cation having positive charge. Positive. Okay, so that H plus is a hydrogen cation having one positive charge. So if anybody asks you this question, that H plus having how many positive charge, you will see this is the plus one charge. Okay. Now so many other there. That means say NH4 plus. NH4 plus is called ammonium ion. Okay, ammonium ion having one positive charge. These all are cation. Okay. Again, Fe2 plus is called ferrous ion. Okay. Ferrous ion having plus 2 positive charge. So if the examiner asks you that give one example of an ion having plus 2 charge, you will say this one, Fe2 plus, that is ferrous ion. Okay, again ion having another cation whose charge is one charge extra, that means plus 1 of this plus 2, so it will be plus 3. Okay, so this Fe3 plus is called ferric ion. This Fe3 plus is called ferric ion. Now you can remember like this: when ion having lower charges, that is plus 2, the name of that ion will end with us, OUS. That means ferrous. Lower charges will be named as us, and the higher charges will be named as ic. So this one is ferric. Okay, because plus 3 is higher than plus 2. So here the charge is plus. Okay, same as Sn2 plus is called stannous. Ion having plus 2 charge. Again, Sn4 plus is called stannic. Sn4 plus is called stannic ion. Okay, I am not writing that one. Sn4 plus is called stannic ion having 4 plus charge. Now, other example of ions are there. Just I am trying to give some example. Say this one, CO3 2 minus, having minus 2 charge. Having how many charge? Minus 2 charge. 2 minus charge actually. And this one is called carbonate ion. carbonate ion. This one is called carbonate ion. Okay. Again, SO4 2 minus is called sulfate ion. Is called sulfate ion having -2 charge. Okay. You have also sulfide ion. Some examples are there written in your book, I think. So you will see and you will memorize with the charges also. Okay. And so if you have any doubt regarding this video, you can ask me so that I can make another video. I can make another video with this topic also. So today's class is up to this. Next day I'll make another video. Okay. So thank you, students.